In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use scenes to reduce your workload and to kind of treat scenes as global scenes throughout multiple campaigns. So let's go ahead and switch to campaigns. And as you know, when I work on a resource, for example, this RSS news component right here, when I double click on it, for example, and change the RSS news feed, if I go ahead and change this to, let's say, science, the only channel that's going to get affected is this particular channel that belongs to the digital signage timeline 1 that belongs to this digital signage campaign, and nothing else will get affected. However, by using scenes, you can make a global scene that's shared among multiple timelines and even multiple campaigns. So let's go ahead and give you a quick example. Let's go ahead and delete this RSS news, and I'll go ahead to navigation and enable editors. And let's go ahead and add a new scene. Just leave it as new scene. We'll just leave it at default name. And drag the RSS news over here. And of course, I can change all the properties of the RSS just like I normally would. And I can maybe set a different background so we have a better contrast and see it better. And let's just say that this is the scene that I want to set, and I'm happy with the scene. Now, if I wanted to use this scene, I would go to campaigns and go to channel 2 and switch to my scenes and drag this new scene over here to channel 2. But the nice thing is that I can also go to a different campaign completely, to maybe campaign 2, and use the same scene here as well. And go to campaign 3 and also use the same scene. So now I have multiple campaigns running different timelines, and they're all using the same scene. So if I wanted to make a change that affects all the campaigns and all the timelines, all I have to do is go to editors, go back to my new scene, and I'll change, for example, the source from world back to health. And now this will affect multiple timelines, multiple campaigns. So this is just one way that you can reduce your workload, or in other words, make a single change that affects multiple timelines and multiple campaigns. Thank you.